Today class discuss about atomic radius. Atomic radius of an atom defined as the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell containing the valence electrons. That simply define distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost electrons. That is called atomic radius. That atomic radius increased group wise. Group wise means top to bottom, and atomic radius decreased by period wise. Period means left to right. What is mean by atomic radius? That is simply explain. That is the nucleus. The inside the nucleus presence of protons and the neutrons. That is the outer shell. The outer cells electrons revolve around the nucleus, and another one is the inner shell. The simply defined atomic radius, distance between the center of the nucleus and outermost electrons. That is called atomic radius. That is the distance, the center of the nucleus and outermost electrons. The hand indicate to atomic radius. That is the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost electrons, that is the valence electrons. An atomic radius increases the group wise and decreases the period wise. The atomic number increases, then also the atomic radius increases. Why atomic radius increases to the atomic number? That is, increase the atomic number and the number of shell is increases. So the number of the cell is increases, then the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost of the electrons is increases. Then only the atomic radius increases group wise. That group wise increase the atomic number and also increase the shell. How to increases in atomic radius group wise and how to decreases in the atomic radius period wise? They simply explain. That is group wise, group mind top to bottom. The red arrow indicate to group wise. So then atomic radius increases the group wise. Then violet arrow indicate to left to right. That is period. Then atomic radius decreases in period wise. So both arrow, the red arrow is the group top to bottom and the violet arrow is group period left right. Then atomic radius increases the group wise and also decreases with period wise. How to increases atomic radius in group wise? That is simply explain. That is the top to bottom group wise. So atomic number is increases, then also increase the number of shell is increases. That is the number of shell is increases, then the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost of the electrons is increases. That is indicate the first atom is hydrogen and the group wise slowly down in the lithium, then sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, then cesium. So number of atomic number increases in group wise, also increases the number of shell increases. Then number of shell is increases, the distance also increases. That is the hand indicate to top to bottom. What is the distance? Center of the nucleus and outermost electrons. The top to Top hydrogen atoms is the smallest distance within the center of the nucleus and outermost electron. Then followed by lithium, another, then sodium, then potassium and rubidium, then cesium. So slowly the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost of electrons is increases. That is, atomic radius increases group wise, top to bottom. Then same explained to period wise. The period wise also increases atomic number, but there is no increases number of shell. The outermost electrons is enter into the same shell, followed to lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, then fluorine, then last one is the neon. That is the period-wise left to right. The left to right, lithium to neon, atomic number also increases, but the outermost cell of electrons also enter to the same shell. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, then another electron 2p2, then another electron 2p3, then another electron 2p4, then another electron 2p5, then another electron 2p6. So outermost electrons also enter to the same shell. Then only the atomic radius decreases in period wise, but group wise atomic number increases, then also increases number of the shell increases, then the number of the cell also increases, then the distance between the center of the nucleus and outermost electrons also increases. That is the main difference between the group and period wise. How to explain to atomic radius decreases or increases.